Right, today I am filming my first ever Primark haul. Never done just a solid Primark haul. Done like a few hauls where I've probably included stuff from Primark. I'll be honest, I don't actually remember. But that is because where I actually live there is no Primark, although now that I'm at uni there's a Primark in town and there's also a really good Primark just a short train ride away, which is why there's quite a few little bits in this bag. Actually, to be fair, there's not loads. I think it's a good amount. There's also a running theme of white tops. In fact, everything is sort of white apart from one item of clothing, but there's like a couple of accessories and a pair of shoes as well. So I'm just going to go straight into it. I think I'm going to show you all the items first and then try them all on at the end. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to start with my pair of shoes that I bought. I haven't bought shoes from Primark in a long time actually, but I've bought these espadrille loafer type things. I don't really know how well you can see them, but they're really cute. They're sort of like fake leather here on the toes, and then this is suede, and then obviously this is like the, I don't even know, what would you call this? I don't know. But yeah, really cute. I've got these in a size 5 and I am normally a size 6 in shoes, and my mum also bought a pair of these as well and she also had to size down, so yeah, recommend to go down a size in these, but love them, go with everything, they're just plain black, so I feel like you can't go wrong, and I feel like this pair of shoes is going to be a bit of a staple this summer. I'm going to start with the first white top, or is it white? This is kind of like an off-white. And I don't really know how well it will show up on my camera, but it's this white sort of crop t-shirt. It's got quite big sleeves. Okay, they look massive, they don't look that weird on. It's got like a, I don't even know what you would call this pattern, but it's patterned on the front, it's just plain on the back. It's got that cute little key cut out which you can tie up, but I don't really know what that does. But yeah, this is really nice. Kind of like linen-y material, and this was £12, so I guess relatively pricey for Primark tops, to be honest. So to go with that, or anything else, because I'm not actually sure whether it does go with this top, are these orange floaty shorts. They've got little white flower pattern all over them and a little tie waist, which is cute. So yeah, not sure whether they do go together because obviously they're both loose fitting, but we'll try it on. But I thought these would be great for the summer. I guess you could wear black with them as well, but I'd probably wear just white because of the white flowers. Nice and cool, and to be honest, can't wait to start wearing them because I'm sort of fed up being in jeans and trousers and stuff now, so I'm just ready to get into the shorts, into the floaty trousers. So this is the first little well, outfit, even though these are the only bottoms that I got. But yeah, I'll step back here so you can see the shorts. Very floaty. I've just tied their little waist into a bow. You can probably see that they are quite see-through, but I suppose if you have got like a bikini on underneath, it doesn't really matter too much. So that is the only bottom item that I got, so the rest are tops now, I believe. Oh, actually, I did get one cover up for my holidays this year. It's going to be a bit hard to show on camera because it's so big. Basically just like this white lacy bikini cover up that you just, you know, throw on top of your bikini just so you're a bit covered, but it's lightweight, quite soft as well, and you know, white just goes with everything. You can wear any bikini underneath this one, whatever colour you want, it's going to go. So this was £8, which I think is quite reasonable for Primark, I guess, for a nice beach cover up. Feels nice, it feels quite good quality. Yeah, I'm excited to be waltzing around, and this will look amazing with the tan, which again, can't wait to have because at the moment it's not happening. Okay, so this is the beach cover up. It's got a nice little tie bit here so that you can, you know, tie it in a bit, make it a bit more exciting. Okay, moving on to yet another white item. Honestly, I don't know what was going through my head. To be fair, I think this was done over maybe 2 trips rather than just the one. I can't actually remember. Might have been 3. Anyway, just this plain white top. It's kind of like that. I mean, it's stretchy, but is it ribbed? Would you call it ribbed? I don't really know if the camera will pick it up. But yeah, I just thought it was a bit more exciting than just a plain white top. Nice and fitting, but again, it's really nice lightweight material, so it'll be perfect for when it's nice and warm. And to be honest, this and this would also go together for a different vibe, you know. So again, I will try it on and show you obviously what the fit is like at the end. But yeah, this was £5, so that's even better. That's like the ideal sort of Primark price for a t-shirt, I guess. So yeah, £5 for this one. Just undone the bow of the shorts just so you can see the kind of length that the top comes down to, just about the belly button. So if I was to wear this top with these shorts, even though it's kind of like a crop top, I would just tuck it in a little bit because I've obviously got the shorts quite high-waisted, and then I would just tie it like that. Oh, I don't know whether it works tucked in or not, but you get the gist of what the top looks like. Again, I'm really sorry that it's so see-through, but you can see the sort of ribbed pattern that I was meaning, if that makes any sense. So yeah, it's just a bit more exciting than your day-to-day t-shirt type thing. Yet another t-shirt. Wow, this is the most exciting Primark haul ever. Just this another white t-shirt. So again, this one has got a nice pattern on the front, and I think you can, yeah, so there's like a few holes and stuff, whether you'll be able to actually see those or not. And then just the little top bit is just plain, and then it is just plain at the back. But again, you can't go wrong with a nice white t-shirt, and it's a bit more exciting when they are cute or have a little pattern on them. Again, this was £5. Okay, so again, this is the same sort of thing. It's just that tiny bit too long to wear untucked with the shorts, but again, I think it's just that tiny bit too short to wear tucked in. Probably didn't help that the shorts are the only bottoms that I got, but this top is the sort of thing that is perfect, in my opinion, to wear under sort of dungarees. Okay, it does lie a bit better, but again, I probably wouldn't wear this top with the shorts. But yeah, this is the type of thing that I would wear sort of under dungarees. Okay, so this is pretty much the exact thing that I would wear this kind of top with, because you can see the sort of detailing poking out the sides. And I just think something like this, oh my god, nearly just, I just think something like this looks really cute with denim. White and denim just go so nicely together. Oh, hello. So to add to the collection of white t-shirts, I got this top, just a little slogan tee that says obsessed. Actually got this for the purpose of going to the gym. So I got it a couple of sizes bigger. You'll see when I try it on at the end how it sort of fits. But yeah, you can wear it obviously normally as well. It would look quite cute tucked in, as a bed top, whatever. It was literally maybe £4 or something. I have actually already worn this. But yeah, really like this versatile top. But yeah, the main purpose was as a gym t-shirt. This is the other top. Really baggy. I think I got this in a couple of sizes bigger because this is a gym t-shirt, or I bought it for the purpose of the gym. Again, I've just got it on with these shorts just because I've got nothing else to try it on, but you can kind of get the length of it. These are the ideal size t-shirts that I like to wear to the gym, just because it slightly covers your bum, so if you are wearing slightly see-through leggings, you're good. But yeah, really like the fit of this, and actually, to be honest, I probably would wear this sort of maybe tied up or something. Again, probably not with these shorts, but just as an idea how you could wear it with jeans or something, and they had loads of tops like this as well, with different slogans, but yeah, this one obviously says obsessed. But yeah, I really like this. Okay, final item of clothing. Like I said, it is quite a short haul, but I do have like a couple more bits in the bag to show you. This is the final item of clothing, which again is like an off-white Bardo top, so again goes with pretty much everything. Perfect for summer, nice lightweight material, obviously see-through, which is a bit annoying, but oh well. And yeah, I just think this will look really cute with, I mean, again, these shorts just go with all the tops. So they'll probably be the thing that I'm trying everything on with. And this is got a little tie here at the front, but not that it does anything, it's just pure decoration. And again, this was £5, so that's not bad. That's like, seems to be the running price throughout the haul. Okay, again, so I'm not wearing the right top underneath this, but this is the off-the-shoulder top. This is perhaps something that I would wear with these shorts because it is fitted on top and, you know, floaty at the bottom. But yeah, again, would you say it's kind of like ribbed material, you know, it's just that bit more exciting. Got this cute little bow. Yeah, really like this. Again, you can literally wear this with anything. I mean, it's quite roomy, which is good. Yeah, really like this, and I think I actually would wear this with these shorts, just obviously a different bra underneath. Okay, so then I picked up a belt. Just looks like this. It's obviously supposed to be like a lookalike to the Gucci belts. This is just black with is it crocodile, snake? No, it's not snake. Yeah, crocodile look to it rather than just plain black. Yeah, so this was £4. Again, really decent. Feels good quality. Obviously I haven't worn it yet, so it's still got the tag on, so I'm sure it will wear well. Not really sure about the gold detailing, how long it will actually stay gold for, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, so the last thing from Primark is this pair of sunglasses. These were £4, so again, really decent. That's one thing Primark is literally amazing for. Do they even suit me? I don't really know. I suppose it's hard to tell with the massive label. But yeah, £4, which is brilliant. Okay, so I'm just going to show you one last thing that is actually from Tiger. So obviously not from Primark, but I just thought so cute. I just want to show it because I'm a sucker for a fake little flower. Actually, might look quite nice on that table. Though there is another fake plant there. But yeah, I just love this. It makes it look like you've got pretty flowers in your room, even though they're fake. And then yeah, obviously comes with a little glass jar too. Okay, so that is the end of my Primark haul. Like I said, really loving Primark at the moment, hoping to get over to one at some point soon again, just have another look. Can't wait to be wearing all the nice white t-shirt and the shorts. Fingers crossed the weather will be getting warmer. It's getting warmer every day, and obviously the clocks went forward as well quite recently, so it's light now until like 8 o'clock maybe. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll be uploading to this channel more now. So got quite a few video ideas written down, so fingers crossed I will actually get around to filming them. So hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!